If you've been injured in a truck accident in Atlanta, you need experienced legal representation on your side. Truck collisions are catastrophic events. A fully loaded semi-truck weighs up to 80,000 pounds compared to the average car at just 4,000 pounds. Over 230 people died in large truck crashes across Georgia in 2022 alone. Common causes include driver fatigue, distracted driving, improperly loaded cargo, and mechanical failures. Determining liability is complex. The truck driver, trucking company, maintenance provider, manufacturer, or cargo loader could all share responsibility. After a truck accident, call 911, document the scene, seek medical attention, and contact a lawyer immediately. Prompt legal action preserves critical evidence like GPS data and electronic logging devices. Rafaeli Law PLLC offers experienced truck accident representation with no fees unless you win. Call today for your free consultation.